Hello, this is Jeremy with the Lucas Howard Group. I'm an ISA here on the team and here to give you your weekly market update in 60 seconds or less. To all our buyers and sellers that are on the fence, I just want to give you guys some useful information. We offer two things, one separately for buyers and sellers. Basically, the first for buyers is going to be a strategic planning session. That's completely free. It's basically where my agent, my buyer specialist, can take the time upfront with you, answer any questions that you might have regarding the buying process, make sure you're comfortable, confident, so when you do want to jump into the game purchasing, you'll know exactly what you need to do. And then as far as sellers go, we have what we call a home improvement consultation, where my agent can go out there, share numbers with you, give you tips and tricks. That's an opportunity for you to pick their brain, ask any questions, make sure you're netting the most if you do decide to sell. If any of those interest you, we're always available. Feel free to reach out here at the Lucas Howard Group. We'd love to be able to help. Thank you.